Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakir dog ying jongpi.
Ha kum kini kapor baka klam jingpang COVID-19 kala selat ting ya kari India barok kawai bat kum ju ru akini kejala Meghalaya ka skul ba Mahatma Gandhi University Meghalaya kala pen bana ban admission a ha ki jingpuli ha ka subject management, law, allied sciences, pharmacy, ITI bat ha kiwi de ki course nakabenta ki samla puli u registrar jong kini ka skul ba u Dr. Ruhit Jyoti Konwan habai keren ka Batesi TV ulo ong baka jingwan sar joka khlam COVID-19 ki babun ki samla puli ki ladu no ela ki kimi ki pa bat ela ki bai pathon kat hadu bakilai kendu jing e ban peteng biang ki jing puli ki jongki dai halor kini kanong rem baka Mahatma Gandhi University kala perkhat jengai ban ai ya ka jing puli ya kum kini khna ha ka ba kim don kam ban siu pisa AA ulo ong baka university kan sa IA ya ki jing puli ringkat bat ki kot puli bat ladadon kum kita khna kila banwa jing tem da ka ba pha ha ka email info@mgu.edu.in bat kila ru banwa ya ka jing tem ka ba banya link ba ki telephone number khandai iwei nyau not prasan not san khandai lai san pra lani khandai iwei nyau not prasan not san khandai pra lai khandai not.
As we all aware that the corona has affected all the sectors like the economy, education, etc. Many children has lost their parents in this pandemic and facing difficulties in pursuing further studies. In this connection, our Chancellor Dr. Rajan Choprasad has decided to give free education for the children of the state of Meghalaya, those who lost their parents during this COVID-19 pandemic and facing difficulties. So these students can enroll in various university courses like BPT, MPT, Law, MBA, BBA, BSc, MCA, etc. as per the university norms and may avail this facility. So they will also be provided required free textbooks in this regard.